Hello guys, welcome to day 19 of Python for Beginners tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to develop a command line shopping application using Python. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to develop an application that allows us to add new item, view details of the registered item, remove items from the registered details, and also exit the application. So to do this, let's get started. Here is the function that takes a selected menu as an argument, and the function is called in this statement. This is an entry point to the program execution, and the menu is designed outside of that function shopping. And this is just guiding the user to choose one of the menu. Okay, when the user enters one, it allows us to register a new item in the dictionary here. Okay, inside the function, we're going to perform some tasks that are going to register a new item, view details of the item, and delete from registered item. So first define an empty dictionary, and now we are going to use the while loop that iteratively execute until a certain condition is met. So while the user selected menu is different from 0, it's going to continue executing the program and doing something. So if the user menu is equal to 1, which means the user selects menu 1, it's going to allow the user to enter a new item. We can use input function to accept user input. Enter new item. And quantity of the item. And we cast that input into integer because quantity is measured by integer number. And the unit price of the quantity. So you can use the unit price. This can be the float. Right? Then the total price can be calculated based on the quantity and the unit price of the item. So the total price is unit price multiplied by quantity. Okay. Now we are finished entering the details of the item, and the item going to be stored in the dictionary for later use. To do this, we are going to define nested dictionary, which contains the details of a single item. So we take an item name as a key in the nested dictionary and define an empty nested dictionary instead. Then we are going to register the name of the item, the quantity, unit price, and total price in the nested dictionary here. Okay. So now let's do that. Item. So the name is a key, and we assign the item name to this name key. We can copy this and duplicate that. Okay, quantity. We call the quantity and change this to unit price. That is the value is unit price. and total price, which is obtained by calculating the unit price and quantity of the item. All right, to see the output of this, we can print the dictionary cosmetics. And let's run our program to see that. For example, let me choose one and item name, unit quantity, for example, 3, unit price, $30. You see? So just creates the item is lipstick as a dictionary in the key in the top dictionary, and the name is key for each item. Each item contains the quantity, the name, the unit price, and total price of that. See, so we can reserve more items. Whatever if the user may choose to that display the details of the registered items in tabular formats that can be in user readable formats. Okay, let's go on. So we are going to use, let me comment this for now. We are going to use a lib menu is 2. If the user chooses the second menu, so it's going to just display the details of the items iteratively. So we are going to use the for loop inside this conditional statement, okay? So this is the message which is displayed in tabular format for details of cosmetic items. So you can use /t, which means giving more spaces to make it tabular, okay? Like table format. Then we are going to print the items iteratively from the dictionary, especially from the nested dictionary in the tabular form. Now I'm going to use the counter. It starts from 1 and for loop that iterates through the cosmetics. So here I'm just going to print the items in the dictionary. So item is just this for loop iterates through the keys in the dictionary. So here the key is, for example, lipstick. From that, it just obtain the name in the nested dictionary, the quantity, and the unit price, the total price, which is total price, and it displays in tabular format. So this is a placeholder, so you can read about the string formatting, and this is the format method. This is the counter. It just counts the number of items and display as numbering the item starting from 1 to the end of that. And it's going to increment by 1. The counter is incremented by 1. Okay, and let me finish this program. Next, if the user may choose 3 to delete that item from the dictionary, so 3. So the user should input the name of the item that to be deleted. And we can use delimit function to delete the item. and we pass the key, for example, item name as a key to Cosmetics dictionary. So if the user enters lipstick, it's going to delete the contents under this key. So the nested dictionary contains the details of that lipstick, and all the details of that lipstick can be deleted from this dictionary. And you can print success message. Okay, all right. So if the user may enter different from 0, so we can just orient the user or give feedbacks that the user is incorrectly selected the menu, or the user inputs invalid menu. All right. If you wanna input many items or perform many tasks while the program is running, you can use this option to allow the users to input or continue to input or select menu. All right, I just finished this program and going to run again. Okay, this is the menu. Now let's choose one to enter new item and quantity of the item, unit price, for example, 60. And you wanna continue, please select the menu again. For example, if I wanna view the details, I press 2. You see, this is the detail, the item number, the name of the item, the unit price, I mean the quantity. It is not correctly formatted actually, and unit price is 60. So here, lipstick, there are 3 lipsticks, so 3 multiplied by a single price is, so the total price is 180. Now let me add more. So still the program is continue executing. Item tool, let me 4, unit price is 50. And let me press 2. You see, it continue adding the items in the current dictionary. And you can continue adding more items and view the details, look like this. For example, if you wanna delete item 2 from this, and you can press 3 and enter the correct name of the item. So the item is successfully deleted. You can view whether the item is deleted or not by pressing 2. Yeah, the item is deleted. To exit this program, you can press 0. Yeah, the program is exited. So this is today's program. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Write comments below. Thanks for watching.